Hello students, welcome to VIJETHA Institute. Today we are going to discuss about the topics, subjects and topics which are related to SSC GD exam, and we are going to see how the topic wise weightage is there related to SSC GD exam, that is Staff Selection Commission General Duty. SSC GD, as we have already discussed, the SSC GD constable total they are 84,000 plus posts are there, and starting date is 24th November and ending date is 28th December. We also discussed about the pattern, that is CBT, computer based test. Second stage is physical efficiency test. Third stage is physical standard test. Last phase is medical test. Now SSC GD syllabus, we are going to discuss it in detail. Total 4 subjects are available, that is reasoning. 20 questions will be there, 40 marks will be there. Each question carries 2 marks. General awareness 20 questions, 40 marks. Arithmetic 20 questions, 40 marks. English 20 questions, 40 marks. Means for every question plus 2 marks. For every negative question 0.50 marks. So total 80 questions are there, 160 marks. Now reasoning 20 questions. These 20 questions are related to 40 marks. 20 questions will give 40 marks. So in this verbal reasoning is there. This is the most important. Verbal reasoning is the most important for SSC GD, because this is having more weightage. Out of 20 marks, 15 marks we will get from this only. What are the topics related to verbal reasoning is analogies, we can expect 1 mark. Number series, this is the most important topic. Number series, we can expect 3 marks from here. Coding and decoding, 2 marks. This is also most important topic, coding and decoding. Odd man out. Next, ranking test. Ranking test is also most important topic. Definitely one question will be there from ranking. Next, blood relation. This is also important topic. Compulsory question will be there from blood relation. Next, directions, 1 mark. This direction is also important topic. We can expect 1 mark. Venn diagrams, 1 mark. Syllogism, 1 mark. The syllogism, 1 mark. Next, mathematical operation. This is also important topic. Mathematical operation, we can expect 1 mark from here. Now Venn diagram syllogism is there. He may give or sometimes he may not give. Sometimes in some sets Venn diagram will not be available. In some sets syllogism will not be available. But these topics will be available. Number series, coding, decoding, ranking, blood relations, directions, mathematical operations, seating arrangement, important. But he will give 1 mark from here. Next, dictionary words. Next, logical order of words, 1 mark. This is related to part 1 of reasoning, that is verbal reasoning. Next, non-verbal reasoning, that is part 2. We can expect 4 marks here. Means related to series, odd man out. This is related to figures. This is related to figures. We can expect 4 marks from all these topics. The most important topic here is cubes and dice and counting figures. Cubes and dice, counting figures and series here. These 3 are the most important topics. We can expect 1 mark from these topics. Next, analytical reasoning, that is part 3. It is also known as critical reasoning. In some books they will mention as critical reasoning. We can expect 1 mark from here, from all these topics. Total 4 topics are there: statements, assumptions, statements, arguments, statements, assumptions, statements and conclusions, statements and course of action. We can expect 1 mark from here. So the most important part here that we need to remember is part 1, that is verbal reasoning. From this we are getting 15 marks. So students need to concentrate on verbal reasoning. Part 2 we are getting 4 marks, that is non-verbal reasoning. We are getting 4 marks. So in this some 3 topics are there, that is series completion, counting figures, cubes and dice. These topics are important. Part 3 we need to give less importance here, that is analytical reasoning. Only we can expect 1 mark here. Total 20 questions. These are 20 questions, 15 questions, 4 questions, 1 question. So total 20 questions gives 40 marks for the students. So part 1 is most important here. Students need to concentrate on part 1 in reasoning. And in reasoning you need to get, out of 20, definitely you need to get 17 to 18. Your target should be 17 to 18 in reasoning, compulsory. This you can score easily. Next we will discuss related to arithmetic. 20 questions, same 20 questions for 40 marks, that is number system. We can expect 1 mark from here, from number system. Simplification, we can expect 0 to 1 mark from here, from simplification. Next BODMAS, 1 mark. HCF LCM we can expect 1 mark. Decimal fraction we can expect 1 mark. Averages 2 marks. Averages is the important topic here. From this we can get 2 marks here. Ratio proportion 2 marks. From this also we can expect 2 marks here. Ratio proportion. Partnership we can expect 1 mark here. From partnership 0 to 1 mark. From partnership. Ages, it is also 0 to 1 mark we can expect here. Next percentages, the important topic, we can expect 2 marks. Profit and loss we can expect 2 marks. Simple interest, compound interest, not that much important. From simple interest, if you learn compound interest and simple interest, you will get 0 to 1 mark there. Time and work, important topic. Time and work, definitely 2 marks will be there. Next pipes, 0 to 1 mark you can expect here, from pipes and cisterns. Next time and distance, important topic. Time and distance, 2 to 3 marks we can expect here. From trains and races we can expect 0 to 1 mark from here. Mensuration, 2 to 3 marks, most important topic. Mensuration, important topic, we can expect 2 to 3 marks. Here apart from this he has given pure max also. Pure max for SSC GD, but it is not that much important, pure max. So concentrate on these topics. In this also you need to concentrate on this averages. Ratio proportion 2 marks you will get. Percentages 2 marks. Profit and loss 2 marks. Time and work 2 marks. Time and distance 3 marks. Mensuration 3 marks. So total 7 topics are there. From these 7 topics nearly you can score 2 plus 2 4 6 8 10 13 16 marks you are getting from these 7 topics. So you need to do, students, you need to do these 7 topics first. Later you can concentrate on the other topics. Even in reasoning. Next, general awareness, that is 20 questions. 40 marks here also. In history, from history we can expect 2 marks, that is ancient history, medieval history and modern history. From these 3 parts you can expect 2 marks history. Next, polity, 3 marks you can expect. From articles, you need to concentrate on articles, important topic here. You can expect 2 marks from articles. Next, science 1 mark, economy 3 marks. From economy, it is better to read current affairs related economy he can give. Next, geography 3 marks, static GK 2 marks, current affairs 5 marks. Current affairs is the most important part in GS. Current affairs, economy will be there, science will be there, polity will be also related to current affairs. Next, related to population, he can give 1 mark. Next, English subject, that is 20 questions. This is the important part here. English, very important. Here you can score maximum and it is easy also. Your first target, that is synonyms. First topic is synonyms, 2 to 3 marks. Antonyms 2 to 3 marks. So these 2 topics are most important here. You can expect here 5 to 6 marks out of 20 questions. You can expect 5 to 6 questions here only. Fill in the blanks 3 marks. Passage important and easy will be there, 5 marks. So if you read passage, antonyms and synonyms, you will get around 10 to 11 marks. Out of 20 questions you can expect 10 questions from 2 topics, that is synonyms, antonyms and passages. You can expect 10 to 11 marks here, 10 to 11 questions from this topic. Next, tenses 1 mark, sentence correction 1 mark, idioms 1 mark, 1 word substitution 1 mark. So most important topics are these 2 topics here, that is synonyms, antonyms and passages. And you should not miss this English subject because it is very important. So your strategy should be, first your target should be English. Here definitely you need to score around 17 questions you need to solve. Next, your target should be reasoning. Here also you need to score nearly 17 questions. Next, your target should be arithmetic. As I told, only 7 topics are most important there. From that, at least you need to score 12 to 14 marks. 14 questions you need to solve. Next, fourth topic, anyhow, general studies. In general studies, at least you need to get 12 to 10 to 12 questions you need to solve. So these are the most important here. From English and reasoning you can expect maximum questions here, maximum questions you can solve. It is difficult to solve in arithmetic, and general studies is most difficult here because less marks, topics will be more, subjects are more here in general studies. So it is better to concentrate on English, reasoning and arithmetic instead of general studies here. Thank you students. If you like this video, please comment and share, and do subscribe this channel. If you are interested to join the Vijetha Institute, you can contact to these numbers. Our address is given here, Sairam Complex, Dilshnagar, opposite bus depot. Thank you students.